All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be assembling a privacy screen and just kind of going over that. It's called Fency. I bought it on Wayfair for about $190. That's kind of the assembly package. That's normally what you see when you buy it. You can do it vertically. You can assemble it vertically. If I can hold straight. And you can do it horizontally. So it shows you the horizontal. And this is what it looks like. This is the star 1 pattern, right? This looks pretty cool. There's like, I don't know, 10 different patterns that this company sells. So you can do it vertical or horizontal. These things are, I don't know, they're like 12, 14 pounds. It comes with 2 feet. It comes with 2 side posts, and then it comes with 2 connector rails if you wanted to do 2 or 3. And it comes with all the hardware that you need. Comes with the nuts, the bolts, a very expensive hex wrench, which I might ignore, a very expensive, a hex wrench. It's just a wrench. And then these are like sort of lag bolts that you can put into here to hold it into the ground, like possibly on your patio. So obviously you're gonna drill a hole, and then these will go in and help you with that. So I will go ahead and assemble this. Okay, so that took a little bit of time there. So what I did on this side, I cheated on that side because I pre-screwed in these bolts. And so I think what happens is, you know, you have a small hex wrench, you have this for the nut on the bottom, which I didn't put on yet. And then these, the way these are set up versus how the holes are machined in there is just not perfect. So it's much harder to put these things on than really should be. So it took me, in my opinion, probably like 10 times longer just to get them going. I gotta tell you the blah, 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 blah. So anyway, so far, so good. Let's keep going. All right, that's the rudiments of it. So I'll put 2 on. These were not easy to get in because you're trying to get it through what's pre-drilled. They're so tight, you don't even need a bolt on the bottom. These were much easier to get in because they're just coming through to be fastened with that nut back there. You can see that, right? And that bolt right there. And then they're all the same size. All these bolts are the same size. And they give you a whole bunch for different combinations, probably some extras. So, okay, now I'm gonna put 2 panels in. So that's it. A little bit harder than I thought, but not super hard. Those are only for when you want to do horizontal. Because as it goes up, you need to extend these sides. So vertical, you don't need those. And let's see, like I had mentioned, these are a little bit hard to get in. And then obviously these, because you're not trying to go through like a pre-drilled hole, just goes straight through, and then nut to the bolt's fine. And you can put all those on there. You should put them all on, and you can put all the feet on. There are nuts you can put on the bottom, but it looks pretty cool. Fency Star 01 pattern. This is going to go to a client over near the museum, the art museum. I believe it's the largest art museum, volume-wise, space-wise in the United States. Anyway, guys, yes, landscaping and hardscaping. Take care. Eagles 5-0. Brotherly shove.